Wickets off for Dhruv, who batted quite well. 1 for 58 is 152 for 4.
Through 58 of 46 balls. Everyone, a huge applause, standing ovation for Dhruv. What a innings he's played. At a crucial time when his team needed the most. Brilliant performance. 10 runs required, 5 balls to go. The new batsman coming in from Karnataka Bulldozers is the captain of the Karnataka Bulldozers, Sudeep.
So it's Sudeep, the captain, who has come out to bat. So can he do the job for his side as a captain, as a leader? He has led his side quite well. His work behind the stumps has been good. But with the willow, he hasn't performed up to his credentials. But today can be the day for him. 10 from 5 deliveries. First delivery from Vikrant got the wicket of Dhruv. This is how he got his wicket. Straight delivery, went for the big shot on the one side, misses it completely. They are delighted, the cheer girls. They are from the Rhinos.
Best thing about Vikrant is he's handled the pressure really well, isn't it, Saba? He batted so well for them. He put them a great position to win this game. Posted 161, remained not out on 95, and he has taken the ball in his hand in the last over. That's confidence for you. Still a bit of an argument and confusion going on.
Now what is the problem now? What is this discussion going on? It just goes on and on. The over rate has been extremely slow. 10 needed to win from 5 deliveries. Excruciatingly slow on the field, the over rate. 152 for 4.
There's no choice for him. Sudeep, he will have to go right from the word go.
Better off giving the strike to Karthik. He goes here big. Oh my God, he's hit a boundary. What a time to hit this 4 for his side. They cannot believe it, the Chennai Rhinos, their supporters. And what a blow, a lusty one. It came into him, he just lent his weight behind it. Look at the timing. And the placement was superb. Well done, captain.
Expressions, they show it all. Tremendous hit. And where is this game going, Saba? 6 needed of 4 balls. He connects it again, but this time it's the fielder. They're running for 2 and then get it easily. That's great batting. 4 more needed of 3 balls.
This is drama, this is cricket, this is T20, and this is the Celebrity Cricket League Season 2. 4 needed from 3 balls. The first one went the Rhinos' way, but after that Sudeep came in and hit that boundary. Another one coming up now, the 4th delivery. He goes big, he connects. There is a chance of a catch. No, he cannot make it. They go for the second one. Oh my God. 2 more added to this score. So now 2 needed from 2 deliveries. It is Sudeep the man. Can he do it? They have wickets in hand. 2 deliveries still to go in this innings.
A cool customer under pressure. Look at the expressions on his face. Well, terrific pressure. And he has come out and hit a boundary. Next ball for 2 runs, another 2 runs. He's put his side in a very good position. They just need 2 more runs to win of 2 deliveries.
Last 2 balls of the match tonight. Last 2 balls
They
of the
can't
finals.
believe, neither
Last
can
2
they.
balls of CCA2.
This game is an absolute cliffhanger.
What a thriller. It's been a testimony of what CCL is all about. Too good. Now 2 needed from 2 balls. High on emotions, high on drama, high on excitement. Oh, he misses this time. Oh my God, he's been out because the runner had to run. Oh, we see another turnaround in this game. It's Sudeep who misses. It's Pradeep, the runner, who want to take that run, but he's been run out. So now 2 needed from the last delivery. 160 for 5.
With drama unfolding in front of us. Unbelievable scenes. It's Sudeep who has to go. That's the problem when you have a runner in place. It's a miscommunication between the runner and the non-striker, and the keeper does the rest. Well, he can't believe what one of his players has done, but he has to go. He's played his part for 8. It's 160 for 5. 2 more needed of 1 ball.
What a comeback this has been by Karnataka Bulldozers. And now, at this stage, they need 2 runs to win. 1 ball in hand. What will happen tonight? Who will win? 1 ball away. Let us wait and watch.
Oh, what drama here. Rahul comes out to bat now. 160 for 5. 2 needed of the last delivery. Where will he go? What will happen? Do we see a tight game? Do we see a super over? It's tense moments all around. It cannot get better than this. 2 needed of the last delivery. Vikrant is the bowler. Rahul on strike. Karthik hasn't had a strike in this over. The dugouts, the supporters, they're on tenterhooks. Pray, pray, pray. Divine intervention required. You can pray whatever you feel like. In the end, it depends on this man, Rahul. And the person who's got the ball in his hand, Vikrant. And also the fielders.
Wow, the last ball coming up. Oh, he's clipped it. And he's given it out. He's bunkered at him. It's not an... Well, it's not completely over because the ball hasn't been bowled. Well, the non-striker, he started to run before the ball was delivered, and he had not completed his action, and that's fine as far as I'm concerned. He's bunkered at him, and there was still arguments and a lot of things, chatting going on.
So what does the rule suggest? The umpire is well within his rights to give that decision of run out. But 1 ball, I believe, still remains.
Can we hear some noise? 100 ball!
So we'll have a look at this. He had not completed his action. Now that the rule states that before he completes his action, if he can effect the run out on the batsman, the non-striker is out of the crease, That, according to the rules of the law, the laws of the game, is out.
Well, drama unfolding. Unbelievable. This is the beauty of the game. Springs up some strange incidences.
Chennai Rhinos versus Karnataka Bulldozers.
It's been Mankaret, but as far as I'm concerned, the ball hasn't been bowled, Sabah. The ball hasn't been bowled. So they will have to bowl that one delivery. It's not counted as a ball, isn't it?
So 2 still needed from one delivery, and because he affected the run out before he delivered the ball, logically one ball is yet to be bowled. Oh God, I want the match referee here. He'll be in a far better position to answer all this.
Amazingly, how did Vikrant think about this? Because none of us were thinking. Well, it was terrific.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
Great presence of mind.
2020 cookies presents Celebrity Cricket League. In association with PCS. Usually this sport by nature.
Yeah, but the question is, why is the batsman still there?
We couldn't have asked for better finals than this.
So two still needed from the last delivery. See, Karthik is still there.
The men in yellow are all set to put this
So the new man have to come in.
It can make up to a perfect movie, isn't it, Sabah? Karthik, he has to unfortunately go back to the pavilion. It's 160 for 5.
So the new man is Tarun, who has come out to replace Karthik, who was run out by Vikrant.
But that's good, Sabah, for Bulldozers. Karthik, who was out there in the middle for a long time, would have had this is fresh legs now for Bulldozers. They can run 2 years. They miss it, and that's run out. Has he given it? He's going upstairs. So there is still confusion whether it's out or not out. But the Chennai Rhinos, they know that they have clinched this title.
They're cock-a-hooped, they're rejoicing, they're celebrating. The fans have rushed into the ground to hug all these players. The decision still is pending. The wicketkeeper had to run to the stumps to effect that run out. Will we wait for the replay? What drama, what a cliffhanger. 160 for 6, they needed 2 to win from the last delivery, and now this is what happened. Rahul was on strike, this is a legal delivery. Take that forward, it doesn't matter now. Oh yes, Ramanna has effected that run out, and what a time to do that. Pinpoint accuracy. It is Tarun, the new man, who was trying to get into that topping crease at the striker's end, has been run out by the wicketkeeper Ramanna. And now the whole stadium will erupt, the fans will erupt. There it is, out! So Chennai Rhinos, they have clinched this title once again. They were the defending champs. They have come out in a much stronger mold, and they have claimed this title once again. They have